we have given that x is equal to 0.5 and y is equal to 0.2. Then a square root of 0.6 times 3y power x is equal to what? So we have to find the value of a square root of 0.6 times 3y power x, and it is a square root of 0.6 times 3 and y is 0.2. Power x is 0.5 and it is a square root of 0.6 times and 3 times 0.2 will be 0.6. Power 0.5 is 1 by 2 and x power 1 by 2, it is same as a square root of x. So it is a square root of 0.6 times a square root of 0.6 and it is a square root of 0.6 square and a square and a square root will get cancelled, so it is 0.6. So it is 0.6.